Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angel. I'm a director of photography and DI colorist based here in Mumbai, India. In this video, I'm going to talk about the audio side of the inspector settings in DaVinci Resolve 18. So let's quickly jump to the computer and let's get started. So now let's see this clip. Now we have the audio control. We can make it louder or make it lower. All right. We have panning. So if we, okay, let's reset it. If we pan it to the left, you will only hear it in your left ear.
ये है मरीन ड्राइव का जो कि मुंबई में
And similarly, you can do it to your right ear.
है ऑब्वियसली एंड काफ़ी पॉपुलर टूरिस्ट लोकेशन है मैं पहले
Let's reset it. And we have one more AI based function in DaVinci Resolve 18, which is voice isolation. It works phenomenally amazing. I'm using it in every video because my workstation is making a lot of fan noise. So with this turned on, you can expand this setting and you can adjust the amount of voice isolation you want. You can also control voice isolation by clicking on this button. You can adjust to your preference and then you can save presets. That's what this panel is for. Let's reset it. Now what voice isolation does is it reduces the noise in your audio, and sometimes it can disturb your voice quality. So you need to be very careful with it. Don't use it at 100% like it is right now. So in any subtle amount, it will be just fine. We have a dialogue leveler as well. It's also a function that you will use to mix your dialogues if you are having a big timeline. But let's not get into this deep level things in this video. We have pitch to control the. Let's see what it does. Okay, if I decrease it, then my voice will become heavier. If I increase it, then my voice will become lighter.
आने के लिए हम लोग ले गए सुबह सुबह आई थिंक विरार से लोकल ट्रेन
Ha! So that's something that you can use to, creatively change your audio. Now let's leave equalizer and speed change because then this video will get too long. Now when you are adjusting your volume and when you are mixing your video before you are ready to export it, you need to make sure that these levels are right in your audio meter. You don't always have to listen to your ear and have a judgment with that. You can actually see and judge the audio level. So for example, let's play my audio from the very beginning. This audio meter will be disabled if you are not having this mixer expanded. Okay, and you can right click on it and set it to meters so that it is a narrower space in your screen. Okay, now what matters is that you want to keep your dialogue portion to a certain level basically, and nothing is recommended to touch the 0 decibel range. Okay, so when I play it,
नमस्कार कैसे हैं आप लोग
let's reset the pitch first. Okay,
बहुत समय बाद मेरे चैनल पे मैं
as you can see, my audio is going to -7-ish decibels, and that is the range I want to keep my dialogue portion. -6, -5 is even all right. Okay, now let's see what the music was set at. Let's disable my dialogue. Okay, so it's touching -2 decibels. If I had this volume control to 0, it would have touched 0 decibel because music is mixed at 0 decibels in most cases. But that's what I didn't want in this video because I didn't want the music to be too loud. That's why I have decreased it to -2 decibels. If I can reset it, let's see now. As you can see, it's touching 0 decibels, but nothing is peaking because this music has been professionally mixed and mastered. But in the case of a dialogue portion or for a YouTube video, for example, you may want to keep everything below -2 decibels and especially your dialogue portions to -6. So this is it for this video. I hope that you have a better understanding of the inspector panel in DaVinci Resolve 18 with both video and audio controls. If you haven't checked out my previous video or this whole series, then do make sure to check it out. Subscribe if you're liking the content, and recommend to me in the comment section below what can I make in the upcoming episodes. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.